Hello everyone, welcome you all. Let us discuss the difference between initial value and boundary value problems. Before going to this initial value and boundary value problems, let us first see what is dependent variable and independent variable in a differential equation. As we know, a differential equation is an equation which involves an unknown function and its derivatives. For example, a differential equation is dy by dx equals to 2x minus 3. Here, the unknown function we are referring here to y, which is a function of x. And solving this differential equation, we calculate this function y as a function of x. And we know here x is independent variable and y is dependent variable. Now let us see the initial value and boundary value problems. To solve differential equations, sometimes we are given with some side conditions like this. And a problem will be called as initial value problem if the side conditions given for the dependent variable and its derivative at the same value of the independent variable. Okay, see here x is our independent variable and y is dependent variable. Dependent variable, x is independent variable, and the conditions given for this differential equation at the same value of the independent variable, that is at x equals to pi. This type of problem is known as initial value problem, and these conditions are called as initial condition. So let me write down the definition. So a differential equation along with conditions on the dependent variable and its derivatives all given at the same value of independent variable constitute initial value problem, and the conditions are called as initial conditions. So you can see here for this differential equation the conditions are given at the same value of independent variable, that is at x equal to pi. So this is an initial value problem, and the conditions are called as initial conditions. So next let us discuss about the boundary value problem. So for more example of initial value problems, you can see here for this three order differential equation the side conditions are given, and here at x equals to 0 y equals to 0, at x equals to 0 y dash equals to 0, at x equals to 0 y double dash equals to 2. And you should remember one thing, the number of conditions should be equal to the order of the differential equation, and you can see all the conditions are given at the same value of the independent variable, that is at x equals to 0. So this is an initial value problem. Similarly for this differential equation all the conditions are given at the value at x equals to 0. So this is also a initial value problem. Now for this second order differential equation you can see two side conditions are given. One at x equals to 0 y equals to 1, and the second one is at x equals to 1 y dash equals to 1. So the side conditions are given at the different value of the independent variable. So and this type of problem is known as boundary value problem, and the conditions are known as boundary conditions. So let me write down the definition. If the side conditions are given at more than one value of the independent variable, the problem is a boundary value problem, and the conditions are called as boundary conditions. Here for example you can see for this second order differential equation two boundary conditions are given, one at x equal to 0 y equals to 0, and the second one is at x equals to half y equals to 3. So the boundary conditions are given at different value of x at different value of the independent variable. So this is a boundary value problem. Similarly this for this differential equation the boundary conditions are given at x equals to 0 and x equal to 1. So this is also a boundary value problem. I think this will definitely help you to get the difference between initial value and boundary value problem. For the solution of initial value and boundary value problems, we will discuss in a separate video. Thanks for watching.